So I've got this cool cabin bag which is 40 by 20 by 25. It's good for Ryanair or Wizz Air or any other company that needs like a small luggage. It can go underneath the seat as well. So let's check it out a bit. Let's see the zippers, let's see everything, what it can hold. So it has like really nice zippers right here, good zippers. You have one in the front here that you can put some stuff, maybe your AirPods or something like that. Then you have here on top something that you can add, which is, this one is like really big here. And then you can tighten it up if you need to. So if you untighten it like that, it expands. You can also open it from this side. There we go. So now it's like bigger. That's how big it looks. You can add quite a lot of stuff inside. And you have a handle here on the side, so you can carry like that if you want. Then you have another zipper right here. This is the side. You have a compartment for a laptop or for tablet. You can add them here. You can see this is secure. It's gonna hold your laptop or tablet, which is great. And you can also see that it's a bit like on the side, like it opens, this zipper opens until here, and this one goes up to here, so it's like really easy to take your laptop out, which is great. And then we have other zippers here on this side. We've got two here, which is basically the same like the other one. Actually, this one goes all around, and that's how it opens. There we go. It's like quite a lot of space here, which is what we want. So we have another zipper here, another pocket where we can add things. And if I close this, there is another zipper here on top, another two zippers. So let's open that as well. And here you can also add other stuff as well, like pens and other things. You can maybe add some keys here as well. As you can see, you can put them there, have them there with you. You can have them inside, and then you have another pocket here, which seems to be waterproof to some extent, which is great. You can add some things that might spill here. So overall, a lot of pockets, and it's really great for traveling. You have this handle here, you have it like, you can carry it like a backpack if you want, and you also have another zipper here, another pocket on the back here. So you can organize your stuff, you can add it in pockets, in different pockets, you know where everything is. You can easily access them because they're in different pockets, and they're easily accessible. You don't have them all in one pocket, which is really good from a handbag like this. Here you have this to keep it tight if you need, or you can wear it as a backpack as well, which I'll show you in a second. Now let's add some stuff inside. So let's say I put my phone. You put your phone here, just like that. It's quite a lot of space in this one. Then you have this one on top, where you can add more things. So let's say the phone, you can see how deep it goes. Maybe you want to add your phone here to keep it protected from water. That goes in there. Maybe you want to add your USB stick here. Just put it right there. Traveling adapter. Add it there. or maybe you want it in the back with your tablet or laptop. So if we close this, and we have this accessible one for the tablet, that is really great. Let's add this here, and maybe this here, and let's add a tablet in the back. You can just put it straight there. There we go. It goes in. I think it can hold up to a 13-inch laptop, which is really great. Then you can close this. And this is how it looks if you carry it as a backpack. So adjust it a bit. So there we go, that's how it looks as a backpack. We can adjust it from here. And you can close this here if you want and make this tighter. And you can hold it as a bag just like that on this handle.